today's install is going to be the Midland MTX 275. It's a pretty simple install. I already have on the antenna installed already. Today we're actually going to be mounting this bracket or this speaker, this unit, onto somewhere down here by the footrest area. I already have the cables already ran. Power's already ran. I don't have that plugged in for a permanent supply yet. I do have it plugged into the outlet over here. The antenna wire is ran through inside the cabin already. My previous videos can show you how to run your cameras inside, or your how to run your wires inside through the engine bay. So as you guys can see, I already have the MTX 275 already mounted up here. The antenna is, like I stated before, the antenna is already on there. I did go with the Ghost antenna, a little upgrade. Got the hood mount clip too as well. Put it on there, ran the wires in the previous videos down through here, coming up down here. Like I said, for today's video, I'm going to be installing this. I'm going to be placing it somewhere over here in this area. I got the hardware ready for it. I did try to use double-sided Velcro tape. Leather did not stick too well. I'm gonna have to drill into it and just put a little screw in there or a bolt. I don't have it, like I stated before, I don't have it powered up to the battery yet. I do have it plugged in here, so I'm going to continue using that for now until probably the summer, because it's a little warmer out. I can actually just hardwire it into the car. So actually we'll be mounting this not onto this area. I'll be mounting it onto front of the seat, or the passenger side seat. There's a little plastic cover in front of there. I'm going to screw into that and just pull it onto there. So you guys can see the power's already in. I just tucked it behind the seat for now. The bracket's in place right now. Time just to put this on. Push back this little cover. All right, moment of truth. Everything is mounted up. Power cable is a little job something a little better, but time is on. Power it up.
Southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet.
I guess we got service.
Snow shower early this evening. For Monday, west winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Becoming southwest.
So there you go. Simple install. The antenna part is very simple too. The wires already ran to the bottom. Everything through here. So another thing with this radio, it does require a FCC license to operate it. It is a GMRS radio. It could communicate both to FRS and GMRS radios. It was actually very useful this past trip down to the Pine Barrens for the Garden State overland. Everyone there was communicating through FRS radios. It does have a low and high frequencies as well. We were actually running at low frequencies, so able to communicate with everyone in the group as well. Just spotting, playing on different routes is where we're going. I would highly recommend this. If you do a lot of traveling where cell service is not optimally, this is a great way to communicate with people around you. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a pretty easy video, pretty easy install as well. And it did come with my starting to click patches button, Midland patch as well. I bought that, came with it. But that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.